Write a program to display area of rectangle if length and breadth are given as 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Okay, let's start doing this question. Write a program to display area of rectangle if length and breadth are given as 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Let me do this question for you. So here is the little concept. Now see, are we taking inputs from the user or not? Are we taking inputs from the user or not?
No, sir.
No. Values, inputs are already given in the question, right? Inputs are already given in the question. So in such type of problem where values or inputs are already given in the question, we have to do certain thing here. Now listen carefully what we have to do. We already have the value of, we already have values. We don't have to take inputs from the user. So I'll directly call AOR. Since we have values in the question, we don't have to take values from the user. If we don't have to take values from the user and the values are directly given in the question, or you will take the values directly, and in that case you can write the values directly in the sub module. I hope it is clear. You can write the values directly in the sub module. So you can write a sub AOR, or if you don't write AOR bracket also it will work. After that, let me write length equals to 10 and breadth equals to 8. So I have used colon here, and I already have told you colon will help to write two or more than two statements in a single line. So L equals to 10, B equals to 8 directly in the sub module. Why reason? Because it is given in the question. We know that value is in the question. Values are given in the question. If you know what value to take, no need of taking or sending the value from the main module. But that does not mean you cannot send it from the main module. If you wish to send it from the main module, you can do that. But better do it in the sub module itself. So sub AOR L equals 10, B equals to 8, and you can directly write print area of rectangle is L into B. Enter. Now the program, first QBasic will know that, non-executable code, QBasic will know that, okay, we are going to use sub procedure and the name of the procedure is AOR, and there are no parameters at all. There are no values to send from main module to sub module. CLS will be executed. After that, it will directly called AOR. And remember, we have not kept bracket after AOR. We have not kept bracket after AOR. Remember that. If you write bracket, that will be mistake. Since we don't have anything to send from main module to sub module, no need of writing bracket. No need of writing bracket. So it will jump from main module to sub module and the value of L and B will be 10 and 8 respectively, finitely, to display the output. So it is quite different than the previous question, but the difference is, since we are not taking inputs from the user, no need of sending value from main module to sub module. But if you want to send, if you want to write L equals to 10 here and B equals to 8 in the main module, and you can send, if you want to send it, you can do that. But no need, if you do not want to do it, no need of doing that. Okay, so this is the concept here. But if you are taking values, now remember here, but if you are taking values from the user, you have to take it in the main module. If you are taking values from the user, you have to take it in the main module and you have to send it. I hope the concept is clear. If not, ask me. Yes, please.
So to define the value in the main module, we have to write declare sub AOR, and then in the bracket we have to write L comma B.
Yes, if you want to take values from here, okay. For example, if you want to take the values from, if you want to write your values in your main module, then you have to do like the previous one, L comma B, in this way, same like the previous one. Got my point? Same exactly like previous one. Chetna, you are asking same question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to do it in this way. If you want to write it, you can do in this way also. You can do as the previous one also. Okay, but I think better if you write it in the SOP module. It will be easy. So this is one of the technique that we do, and we'll be applying this technique in the loop, in the series. Hey. So let me do.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so once you explain this call and solve, call and solve,
Call. This
you beat up some zone.
call and solve, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Always remember to take input in. Input we have to take in. There are two parts, right? Main module, sub module. There can be more than one sub module. Till now we are dealing with two parts. One is main module. Next one is sub module. So where to take input?
So that above after CLS.
In main module. It is called as main module, right? CLS to int. From CLS to int, it is main module. This is main module. From CLS to int, it is main module. And from sub to int sub, it is sub module. It's called as sub module. Okay. Sub module is like a small program. It is a small program. Example of Facebook. Example of Facebook. So inside Facebook, there are different type of programs combined. So let me say different parts are. One is uploading image. Uploading image is one small program. Facebook is the main module here. Uploading image is sub module, small program. And sending message, that is also a small program. And let me say next one at writing comment. Writing comment, that is also a small program. Let me say next one, playing games in Facebook. Playing games in Facebook, that is also different small program. So Facebook is created by different type of small programs. Facebook is created by different type of small programs. As you will go to upload option, and once you click the upload option, what it will do is it will call this code, right? This code will be executed. Inside that code will be executed. Once you click the button, the code will be executed. Got my point? That means this program will be called. If you want to play games, you will click in that particular game and this program will be called. Clear? Right now our small program is sub AOR. But to execute this program, we have to call this program. Got my point here? To execute this program, I need to call my program, and to call my program, I have to write the statement called as call. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Same way like uploading my image, I have to click my button in the Facebook. I have to click the button in the Facebook for uploading image, or playing games, or even writing comment. I have to write something and press send. So these all codes are different codes, but these codes are called whenever it is necessary. Here also same thing. Sub AOR is the small program. We have created sub AOR, small program. So as the question says, we have to display. So to display, we have to call this program. Okay, let me give you the real example now after running this program in the software. Okay, let me copy that exactly same. And let me write the value of L is equal to 10 and B is equal to 8. So I will not write call, and I'll write print I have not called a small program. Okay. If I run this program, it will take few seconds first. Can anyone tell me, will it show the area of triangle or not?
No, sir.
It will not show. Our program exists, right? Our program exists here. Our program exists. Our small program exists, like uploading the file exists in Facebook, right? Playing games exist in the program, but until and unless we access those files or those code, they will not run. Here also same thing. Our small program exists. We have created a small program, but to access this program, obviously we have to call this program. We have to call this program. So to call this program, we have to use the statement call as call. So this is the real concept. Eh? For you to understand easily, I have made different example of kitchen and restaurant and hungry thing, but this is the real how it executes. Call AOR. So I'm calling call AOR, but why am I not using any values here inside bracket? Why I'm not using bracket? Can you tell me?
सर त्यो इनपुटको सट्टा हामीले मुनि L equals to 10.
English, please, English.
Sir, we have not written input in output.
Yes, we don't have to send any values from the main module to sub module in this case. So if you write bracket, it will be mistake. So you don't have to write bracket. Now, if I call my program, though I'm writing, I have not called this my program as, though, here. Though now if I call my program or execute my program, that small program will be called. That small program will be called and it will display the output. Area of rectangle is 80. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, after that ends up, we can write another program as well.
Yes, you can make as many as, let us make another one also. Area of rectangle, sub area of circle. Not circle, it will be quite big. Okay, area of triangle. And I'll keep base as 8 and height as 6. And again, let me print area of rectangle is half into base into height in short. So base is 8, height is 6, area of rectangle is half into base into height. So if I need to execute my area of triangle, what I need to call right now?
Call AOT.
Call AOT, simple, right? You can make as many as small program you can. Whenever you need, you can execute.
So we can call two program at same time.
You can call two program at the same time also. Write another call also. AOR. It will call two program. So if I call only AOT, does it mean AOR does not exist?
So it exists, but we are not calling.
Yes, it exists. We have written the code for AOR also, but we have not called it. Clear? So this is how all programs work. Eh? All programs you have seen, you might have seen YouTube, Facebook, or even Microsoft Word or presentation or everything, operating system, everything is made in this way. Programs are divided into small part because we don't need all the programs at the same time. Right? We don't need all the, since we are using right now Google Meet. Are we using Zoom now? No, but we have Zoom software also available. Clear? So all the programs are divided into small parts so that it will be easy to execute whenever it is necessary. I hope now the concept is clear.
Sir, if we need to call both that sub.
Yes, if the question says you to find area of rectangle and area of triangle, then you have to call both and write call for 2 times. Is it clear, Aishwarya?
Yes, sir.
Now you can say first we have called area of triangle, so area of triangle will be, sorry, this one is area of triangle, not rectangle, right? Triangle. Okay, now you can see that area of triangle is 24, area of rectangle is 80. Since we have called triangle first, triangle will be executed. After that, we have called AOR and AOR will be executed. So we did 2 questions at the same time today. So you can make as many as small program, you can call as many as whenever it is necessary,